Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best rifle scopes out there, the Leupold VX Freedom 3-9x50mm. If you're looking for a scope that combines rugged durability with crystal clear precision, the VX Freedom might just be the perfect fit for your hunting or shooting needs. First off, let's talk about the core features of the Leupold VX Freedom 3-9x50mm. This scope is designed with the hunter in mind, featuring a 3-9x magnification range, which provides versatility in targeting both close range and longer distance shots. The 50mm objective lens ensures you get a bright and clear view, even in low light conditions, making it ideal for those early morning or dusk hunts. Now, what really sets this rifle scope apart is Leupold's custom dial system, or CDs. With this system, you can customize the elevation dial to your exact ballistics and environmental conditions. This means that once you've got your custom dial, you can easily adjust your scope to the exact range you need, allowing you to take that shot with confidence. And if you're worried about losing your settings, the zero stop system ensures you always return your dial back to zero, avoiding any accidental misadjustments. The scope also comes with the tried and true duplex reticle. This simple yet effective reticle design offers great clarity and precision for hunters. And for those looking for a more advanced option, you can go with the illuminated fire dot reticle, giving you even greater visibility in low light situations. This is a feature that makes a significant difference, especially when you're targeting in challenging lighting conditions. What's also worth noting is the build quality of the Leupold VX Freedom. This rifle scope is 100% waterproof, fogproof, and shockproof. So whether you're caught in the rain, facing high humidity, or dealing with the rough and tumble of the field, you can trust that the VX Freedom will keep performing. It's a piece of gear that's built to last and handle the harshest conditions. We also can't forget about the design. The scope is sleek and lightweight, ensuring that it won't weigh down your rifle or cause discomfort during long hunts. It's easy to handle, and the ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hands. Plus, the traditional eyepiece lock ring allows you to lock in your focus setting, so you're always set to shoot with the clearest image possible. Made in the USA, Leupold ensures top-tier craftsmanship. This rifle scope is designed, machined, and assembled right here, with every detail carefully considered to ensure top performance. Leupold's legendary customer care is another reason why this product is so trusted by hunters and shooters alike. So, whether you're looking for precision, durability, or reliability, the Leupold VX Freedom 3-9x50mm rifle scope has got you covered. It's an investment in your shooting accuracy and overall hunting experience. If you're serious about your gear, this is one rifle scope you should definitely consider adding to your arsenal. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there. Happy hunting!